she had a dread of making errors.
The way that he connects with you and the way that you connect with him.
And she would get very hung up in that, and it made her just not want to write at all.
I was just impressed with the different things that you were showing him and how excited he was to be able to share with you. It's great to have somebody that is motivating him and that he's motivated by and that he looks forward to it. You asking me to see if he could create like a blog website. And I thought, wow, that's something that I would love to do with him, but I don't take the time to do it with him. I was just overjoyed that he was going to get the opportunity to do it with you.
I love that she has a mentorship. It's just been wonderful for her.
What do you value the most out of the Creative Genesis program?
I value just the fact that she wants to be writing. I love that she has a mentorship where she can go directly to you. You're there for her to help with the writing or like with the technical aspects.
What remains the same is all the different ideas that you give the children and allow them to express their ways of writing and being creative.
My advice would be to step back and let your kid try it out, giving them time to figure out the way that they are comfortable and want to enjoy the program.
I would say definitely give it a try because it's nothing like what anyone would expect, because the children get to work on things that interest them with guidance and collaborate with others. It's not just a writing class, it's everybody's teaching each other and you're guiding them. You're like their mentor.